You're paying $20 a month for AI or hitting rate limits right when you need it most. What if powerful AI models ran on your own laptop, offline, completely free? That's Ollama. Here's how it works in 100 seconds. Ollama is an open source tool that downloads and runs AI models locally. No cloud. No API key. No data leaving your machine. Install it with one line, then run your first model. Ollama pulls the model around 4 GB and opens a conversation right in your terminal. It's now yours. Runs offline forever. Works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Even on a 2019 laptop. You're not limited to one model. The Ollama library includes Llama 3, Mistral, Phi 3, DeepSeek, Qwen, and Llama, all free to download. Small models like Phi 3 run fast on just 8 GB of RAM. Bigger ones like Llama 370B need more power but deliver serious quality. Bonus, add Open WebUI in 2 commands and you get a full ChatGPT-style browser interface running entirely on your own hardware. Local coding assistant. Private document chat. No subscription. Here's why this matters right now. Every prompt you send to a cloud AI is stored, logged, and sometimes used for training. Your private ideas aren't so private. Ollama flips that. Your code, your contracts, your private notes stay on your machine. Zero ongoing cost after the initial setup. Start today. Go to ollama.com/download, install Ollama, then run. That's your first local AI model up and running in under 2 minutes. Which model are you trying first, Llama 3, Mistral, or DeepSeek? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe, I find tools like this every week.